morning! What do we have here? A kitty sitting in my Techme sport chair? You just wanted to look outside? I know, I feel that. There's tons of birdies and squirrels and bunnies. All the wildlife. You happy that mommy put this chair here? You want me to scoot you up? How's that? Is that good? You're welcome. Okay. You're welcome. He is a goofball. Are we gonna have a good day today? Oh yeah. We gotta show Simba some love too. See, I'm a good boy too. We're gonna go to Pride Fest. Oh yeah. Hey guys. We're downtown for Detroit Pride. It's Kaylin's first time ever. My first time in like 10 years, so I'm sure a lot's changed.
Saved my life.
Yep, so here's the templates here. One sheet is for 2 buttons. Basically, you. Thank you.
Oh no. Before and after. Alright, so after this point, we started getting a little hangry. We saw this dope ass chickadee food truck, which D for Detroit or
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
We got our food just in time for this bomb ass drag show. I swear it is one of my favorite parts about Detroit Pride. Now let's eat this chicken sandwich. The flag I got, and this guy keeps trying to freaking here show them, say Happy Pride Month. I want him to put it like, you gotta put it in your mouth. Wait, I gotta put it in his mouth. Woo! Happy Pride Month! Woohoo! 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 Spring break! And as you guys saw, we made our own buttons, which is pretty cool. All right, so we got something for you at one of the booths.
A Jim Beam.
Koozie. Ooh. All right, and then I got a new koozie, actually. Got a Truly one.
Woo!
Look at that. Woohoo! Where's the flag? Oh. Surprise, surprise, it's by the cat. You're a grand old flag. Hey guys, it's me. So right now I'm actually like 3 minutes away from where my brother's at. I'm about to pick him up. It's the first time I've seen him in over 5 years. It doesn't seem that long because of social media and, you know, like him being able to see me stream, me being able to see him stream in the past few years. It doesn't seem like it's been that long, but it has. And for some reason, it was having me take this long way to get here. Everybody was driving like way under the speed limit and I have no patience right now. I literally got on stream at 9 in the morning purposely to like get off stream and leave right out the door, but like I didn't realize how hectic it would be and how impatient I am. And I just found out that my brother is actually here for less time, so I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna drive the rest of the way and go get my brother. And in the next clip, we should have a wild Donald. Let's go get boy. Ah! Hey guys, look who I'm with. Ah! Hey, get boy.
Get butt, boy!
Guys, it looks like it's snowing back here. It's all cotton. It's disgusting. We're gonna go inside now. We don't like it.
Oh, I did mama.
You remember Donald? He helped us drive, remember? That's your uncle. In my stream room, I'm gonna get your reaction.
Yeah! Wow! Wow!
Wow.
This is sick. It's so much different. You're in it now.
Yeah. Look at Brandon just jumped right on
And
the
it's
chair.
like, yeah, right here. This is where she sits.
Donald's first time seeing my stream room.
Yeah.
Ever. Any stream room. First time.
Yeah. Look at those lights. They're massive. Oh, so cute. How you know that? Hey, what's up? Yeah, you know. You can't set it down.
What the hell?
Oh, because that's just the stuff inside it.
Donald! Let's go! Oh!
Yeah.
Nice! Let's go! Oh no! I got a slip!
Yeah.
Nice! Donald! Oh! Donald, do it one more time.
We'll get you in your next house. We'll get you something.
Another one.
Let's go, baby!
Gotta be in.
Another one.
Oh my gosh!
And another one.
Go.
A two-time loser. Don't do it. Yeah. He's just gonna rebalance it. We're rebalancing it. Jake. If it makes Didn't even get any satisfaction. Take a one out. Didn't even get one, bro. You got it, bro.
Oh yeah, we are gonna do full one each, okay. About face.
Oh, what the heck?
Why do the heck?
Oh, that's a full one?
Yeah, it's a full one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's not that much in there. I think you never really watch Shroud, because obviously it's not like your type of streamer to watch.
Shroud?
Yeah. Did you ever?
Oh, a little bit.
Did you know who Wadu was?
Yeah, Wadu.
Wadu
What the heck?
Yeah, Wadu heck.
I had to mute this part because we were blasting some copyright music in the background. But watch me regret the shot in 3, 2, 1.
Fuck you!
Again.
guys, this is amazing. Okay, if you guys don't know, this is my brother. I haven't seen him in over 5 years.
Got him!
He's not.
Got him!
If you know a little backstory, you know this. But if you don't, this is him.
Oh, that was a pumped up moment. Was that Fortnite?
No, it's COD.
That's COD?
Yeah. I have to pee.
Alright, go pee.
Okay.
I'll take over to you.
Alright, chat. Be
commercial
nice.
break.
Be
nice.
good.
What do you mean be nice? You're gonna hurt me. You're deleting this VOD anyway, so this thing, I'm gonna scar their brains right now with some real shit, okay? Baby, this shit's about to get hype. Yo, I'm gonna lock the door. We're gonna take this shit over. We're going live. Now it owes me a Tina twerk. I can't Tina twerk. Honey, come on. I will shit myself on stream. You ever seen brown rockets just come out? Yep, I'd be just flapping the air. What's your beer? No, her head be flexing now. Head flex like this, like shit. Attention, attention, attention. I have no idea what the fuck I just. You should be getting that back head. Whew, yeah.
Stop, Anthony! I have to piss!
For the shit. Oh. Let's go!
The next day.
Good morning. Yes, I have glasses on because I look like the hottest of the hottest, not even hottest, not hot at all messes. And I feel like I got run over by a truck 21 times. So I'm just gonna keep these glasses on to make myself feel a little better. But yeah, I just went and got Jimmy John's because that is my cure. And guess what else I got? If you guessed burners, you were right. Hey guys, we're at Jake's dad up north with Caitlin and Jakey is driving. Professional driver, by the way. I wanted to document this in case we don't make it. Yeah. I didn't want to say, but she said it. Alright, well, here we go. Alright, Jake pulled up to a little hay bale so we can take some pictures. Yeah. Let's do it. Here's our driver. Yo, Uber is here.
Hey.
This is Hazim.
Oh, yeah. 5-star review.
So sore. This is line. Ugh. Gamer girl goes outside. This is more than. What if this rolls? It should roll.
It's about to roll.
Okay. That's so cute. I don't know if I have the hand-eye coordination to do this.
We're gonna find out.
There we go.
Cute. That's so cute.
This is when I was corn clean.
Okay, I gotta get the hay bale.
Oh, that's gonna be nice.
I'm very scared right now. I don't have a seatbelt. I don't have a seatbelt. I don't have a seatbelt, honey. I don't have a seatbelt.
Disclaimer. This video was made for entertainment purposes only. No Simbys were harmed in the making of this video.
I'm in me swamp, mate.
Get out me swamp. Hey guys, we're at Meijer. We're picking out some accessories for the fireworks. Let's see what we get. Hey guys, we're at Red Robin. I don't know if you can hear me. You hear me now? We waited like a good bit for our food, so I just started eating. My bad, but I'm hungry. Hey guys, we got our chairs, we got our accessories. We're ready for the fireworks.
You'll never believe what happened next. Someone freaking recognized me in public and I like literally could not process it. He was so nice. I happened to have a little Simby poker chip in my bag, so I gave him that. He even knew me from Mixer, which is super cool.
Yeah, so you're an OG. Mixer OG. He's shy.
Of course, we had to flex our glow bracelets. I swear, glow bracelets are a must when it comes to the fireworks. Ooh. Look at all those fireworks. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know it's October and this is the summer vlog. Thank you again for being patient with me while I was a sickie boy. And make sure you like the video if you want to see part 2. Time for what we've all been waiting for. The finale.
Like it. That's all she wrote.